Good morning. We're up and ready to go for another day. Lisa's in the shower, but I had the opportunity to show you outside, which I couldn't do last night because it was after midnight before we got here, and of course it was pretty dark. I asked Lisa what our view was, and she said it's the parking lot. She had closed the curtains. But when I got up this morning, hold on while I turn you around, I saw that we can actually see beyond the parking lot to scrubland and mountains in the distance. That's pretty exciting for me because I live in Florida, so that's really quite cool. This dirt out here isn't so much fun, but they've got some palm trees. I'm familiar with palm trees. This is perhaps not the best area because we're pretty close to the airport, but we'll be traveling to our final destination this morning sometime after breakfast. So we'll see you in a little bit and show you some more. Well, just trying to get ready this morning and discovered some things I hadn't noticed yesterday when I was showing you around. There's a cool artwork on the wall. And the TV, remember I complained about the TV because it was in a really dumb position? Actually, it's on this tray that slides out. Whoops, if I don't break it. And you can turn it around so that now you can actually watch it while you're sitting in bed. Plus there's another big mirror in the bathroom. So that was really cool. That was behind the door, so I didn't see it until I went in the bathroom and closed the door. Like, surprise! So this room is quite compact, but it has a lot of stuff in it. I'm kind of enjoying it. They even gave us some hand wipes. Nice.
9:30 in the morning and it's 99 degrees.
Well, you know, when it's like over past midnight, it's 98. It's like, oof. I think the high was 105. So if it stops there, I'll be happy.
Interesting.
Look, cactus on the side of the road.
Cactus and palm trees, the same landscape.
Yeah. I think this is Mount Mica. Or Mica. No idea how to pronounce it.
Our first stop in Sierra Vista is on my bucket list. It's the first McDonald's with a drive-thru.
This McDonald's was opened in 1975, but if you saw as Lisa panned around, you can see it's not the original. The original was bulldozed in 1999 and they upgraded it. But it's worth a visit because it's the first drive-thru in the country.
We would have to pay our homage to Ronald.
This fiberglass Ronald McDonald served as the drive-up ordering speaker for the first of its kind drive-thru. Cool. The drive-thru was opened because it's close to Fort Huachuca and military serving there weren't allowed to walk out on the street with their uniforms on. So McDonald's, always looking for some way to make more money, decided that they really needed to open a drive-thru for these guys so that they could eat at McDonald's.
This is a really nice McDonald's. They've done a good job with it. There's a play place over there and everything is just really nice. And ordering on the screens was really easy. It was actually the first time Mom and I had done that and it was super easy. So we got an M&M McFlurry and fries. So this McDonald's is located on Fry Blvd. Now I can say I've eaten fries on Fry Blvd. I've had sandwiches and sandwich. This is super fun. Welcome to our room. I think this is the Garden Place Suites honestly, I can't remember. Yeah, Garden Place Suites in Sierra Vista. It's right outside of Fort Huachuca. If anyone has family there doing their training, they can stay here. It's really nice. So let me give you a little room tour. So here's the door, and to your right is this very nice mirror I was just looking at, and the closet with a full ironing board and iron. And Mom's about to utilize that with our dresses, so we're gonna hang that up really quick. And then here's the bathroom with an ice bucket, oh, and some plastic cups. It's nice. And there's soap, body lotion, a makeup remover wipe. That's handy. The counter space looks adequate. There's a hair dryer, and there's some bath stuff, some more soap, shampoo, and conditioners. That makes sense. Little shelves. Oh, that's nice. These are cute little shelves here, and some on the other side. Not really deep shelves, but that will be perfect. That's my gripe with hotel bathrooms. They never give you enough shelving, so that's really nice.
I said in the last bathroom.
Oh yeah, I liked that one. And this has a little kitchenette with a little stove top, sink and dishwashing liquid, and I'm sure there's cool stuff in the cabinets. Yes, what you would expect. Plates and cups and cooking thingies. Oh, there's a toaster up there and a pitcher. There's a microwave, full-size fridge. It's like a medium-sized fridge, but looks really good. There's some pans and stuff. This is great. You could really stay here for a while. Here's the silverware and knives. They give you some coffee. Maxwell House. Maxwell House is in Jacksonville, Florida. We came from Jacksonville, Florida to Maxwell House Coffee. And then, if you come over here, there's a little seating area. This looks cute with a recliner and a little couch, and it's got the, I have no idea what that type of design is called, like Adobe style Pueblo thing, I don't know, but it's cute. And then there's a king bed, lamps, bed tables. I haven't found the USB plugs, but I'm not really betting on it, but that's okay. We will survive. And there's that dresser. I can put my suitcase on. There's a mom. Hi, Mom.
So one way we'll really survive is because we've discovered there are USB ports in our rental car.
Yeah. And yeah, we're sitting in the
the
back seat, and they have a plug on each side of the back seat, behind the driver's seat and the passenger seat. It's really cool. That TV looks just fine. There's another desk over here. We've really spread our stuff out.
Nice.
Yeah, the chair looks cushy.
Office.
Nice.
Yeah, it does look cushy.
So it looks like you really could stay a while and do some work and be quite comfortable. Yeah, so we're quite happy with the room, and we'll show you the rest of the hotel either before this or after this, but we haven't actually filmed it yet, so you might have seen it or you might be about to see it. We just came down from our room and we wanted to show you this adorable lobby. It looks very Arizona. This is fun. I like all the theming. I've got these cool little balconies up here, and thankfully there's no fire right now, but if it were winter it would be so pretty. My mom's checking out the brochures. There's a little business center. Oh, and I forgot to show you, on our rooms they have cute decorations, but they have cute decoration here that's similar to the rooms. So cool. This is a really nice place. And then there's a breakfast area. And let me show you the sign over here. This is the coolest hotel. They have a complimentary hot breakfast, which is normal, but that's nice. They have happy hour every evening. First 2 drinks per room are on them. They have complimentary soup and salad Monday through Thursday, 5 to 8. Yeah, that's just really cool. Pretty decorations behind the counter. And you get a couple drinks per room. And I think these are them. There's cherry coke in there too. Very cool. They have a lot of sculptures, like statues and this, the decor. Oh, and I forgot about this, but this is so cool. Walking in, they have this Adobe style decoration, and over here they have a complimenting one. Yeah, so Mom, are you enjoying our stay so far? Oh, and we're getting a brochure for Tombstone. Fun times ahead. Well, the lighting in here is simply abysmal, but we are back at our hotel that we showed you earlier. We had a grand time, and we, because we were on the Army base, we weren't able to really film a lot, but we did take a few pictures in one of the museums we went to, so I'm going to insert that footage here. We got to tour some of the museums and historical areas of Fort Huachuca, which was quite fascinating. So let me share some of the history of this fort with you. On March 3rd, 1877, while on a patrol to secure the San Pedro Valley, Captain Samuel Whitside and 2 companies of the 6th Cavalry established Fort Huachuca as a temporary outpost. It's been around for a long time for a temporary outpost. In 1882, Fort Huachuca became a permanent military installation and has played a vital role in Army history ever since. I thought this sign was so cool as it gave you a reference for all of the places in the area that you could go visit. During its long history, Fort Huachuca has served as a cavalry post, an infantry training center, a test center for electronic equipment, and a major signals installation. Today, Fort Huachuca remains an important center for communication and electronic technological development, but its central role is the home of the U.S. Army Military Intelligence Center of Excellence and a training center of soldiers for the various intelligence disciplines and unmanned aerial systems operations. Well, I really enjoyed seeing the cacti and plant life and the beautiful sunsets. But most of all, I was just really glad to see my best friend again. We have not seen each other since March, and it was just so lovely to hang out together again. Well, we had a lovely time hanging out with our friends and just eating dinner together and having a lovely day. So I'm sorry that vlogging just wasn't priority for keeping track of everything we were doing, but I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I hope it gives you some ideas to do if you are in the area, and I do hope you liked the video, and I do hope you'll join us for the next installment, because we do have fun stuff happening the rest of the weekend. So please join us next time. Have a great day.